day, everyone.
My name is John Bertie Flebes.
And I'm Ronald Vincent Ramirez. We are from BSIS Studio. Welcome to our tutorial on the basic skill of volleyball. Today,
We will demonstrate and explain the proper techniques for each fundamental skills.
switching roles after every skill so you can clearly see and understand every step. Let's get started. Come on. First, let's talk about the ready position. This is the foundation of every movement in volleyball. You must always be ready to react quickly. And my partner is gonna demonstrate how to do the be ready position. Use short, quick steps. Do not cross your feet, shuffle, side step to keep balance and stay ready. The next position is the forearm pass, also called a bump. This is usually used to receive serves or defend attacks. My partner will demonstrate this move. Third skills, overpass or setting. This skills is used to place the ball perfectly for a teammate to attack. Next is the overhand serve. This is more powerful and is the standard serve in competitive play. Sixth skill, attacks or spike, the offensive skills used to score points. No. Next is the block. This is the first line of defense at the net. My partner will demonstrate it. To recap the skills we covered are ready position, overhand serve, attack, and block. Remember, mastering these basics takes practice. Focus on form first, then speed and power. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you learned something, keep practicing, and enjoy the balance volleyball.